Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting everything ready. Log into your Aliexpress account and confirm country and currency so coupon eligibility is accurate. Once done, open the product page and scan for coupon icons by the price and in the store header. Tap to collect them. Make sure to collect site-wide coupons, seller coupons, and any product-specific coupons now, because coupons often must be claimed before they can apply at checkout. This ensures you don't lose discounts later. You proceed by adding the item to cart or clicking Buy Now, because Aliexpress shows which coupons apply only at that stage. Next, choose shipping options and product variations, since availability of some coupons depends on those selections. Then review stacking rules carefully. Many seller and site coupons combine automatically, but third-party promotions or gift card use can block stacking. If multiple coupons are shown, select the highest value combination and confirm the discount line items so you know you complete the purchase by reviewing the checkout page to confirm coupon deductions, shipping cost, and the final price. Make sure the coupon amount appears before paying. If a coupon does not apply, clear browser cache or app data, log out and back in, or remove and re-add the item, then retry claiming the coupon. These steps often refresh eligibility. If it still fails, contact the seller or Aliexpress support with screenshots of your claimed coupon and cart so they can resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.